So we're going to be doing the hard light challenge. I was challenged by at least 10 people in the stream today to do this, and everyone is going to be using the hard light. I'm going to go ahead and confirm this. This should take like 2 hours. Hard light. Hard light. And it looks like everyone does not have it fully up. Livs doesn't have the hard light. That's an exception. Everyone else does. None of our hard lights are upgraded except for JP. He has 2 perks, but the damage is not fully upgraded. Part of the challenge is also that everyone's look sensitivity will be on 1, making this a little bit more challenging since a hard light has 40 bullets at a super high rate of fire. And there are 2 Gjallarhorns on the line here. If I do not get 12 kills, Legendary JP has to delete one of his Gjallarhorns. If he does not get 12 kills, he has to delete another Gjallarhorn. So if we both don't get 12 kills, he's going to delete 2 Gjallarhorns, and I'll have proof of that later in the video. But anyways, we're going to be doing the Crucible 6v6 clash. Let's get this challenge rolling. Yeah, I do have the dark below hard light, so it's really bad. I'm super excited to see this 1 sensitivity though. Oh my god. It's so slow. Holy crap. It's workable. I already got a kill. JP, I'm saving your Gjallarhorn. Dude, I have 2 kills. Whore bag. Ah, I almost got some more kills. No. Only hard light. Livs is the only one that's not allowed to use. He's the only one that's allowed to use his pistol. He's only allowed to use his pistol though, because he doesn't have the hard light. Oh, you jackwagoned my kill. JP, I'm gonna save your Gjallarhorn, don't worry. I have piece of ass. Oh my! I have another kill. Don't worry, JP. I'm gonna save you. Don't worry. I'm gonna get 9 more kills. Dude, I'm going ham. I'm at 5 kills. Dude, this game is gonna be over quick. he almost got a tree. Alright, we can't die as fast. Oh, you showed him. I can't believe I have like 5 or 6 kills.
Oh, you fucker.
You're not gonna have to delete a Gjallarhorn, don't worry, I'm getting 12 kills. Dude, we were just... If we all spray them at once, they have no chance. Oh, you want to shoot a shotgun at me? Well, I got a hard light. No, I don't. I don't think I do. I have no idea. Oh, he thought he was gonna kill me with his rocket launcher, and he freaking got wrecked. Ah. Dude, the hard light is the best weapon in the game, confirmed. Dude! Oh, I thought I was gonna get a double. He had to shoot his stupid rocket launcher at me. Please don't have no more rockets. Please, please, please. He just got a triple kill. He just got a triple. JP, my mission's to save your Gjallarhorn. No, I picked the wrong one. Dude, I was on a roll. We only have 1,500 points left. Alright, I'm self-resing, but I'm not going to use anything. Because there's only so much points left. No, it doesn't. Only in melee. JP, you only have 780 points. I got a legendary gun. JP, I don't know if I got 12. I was really close though. Oh my god. If I didn't get 12, I'm so sorry. Oh! Oh! 13. I got 13.
Do it! Just do it! No, what are you waiting for? Do it! Shut your fucking mouth!